In this video, we'll show you how to pair with and set the schedule on the ECOSO Linus Smart Electric Heated Towel Rail with fan. First of all, turn on the main power switch located on the underside of the unit. Next, on your smart device, open the ECOSO app and select Add Device. When your device appears at the top of the screen, select it, enter your Wi-Fi details, ensuring you're on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The heater will now pair with the app. When it's complete, click Done. To set a schedule on the heater, press the weekly timer button and then press Add Schedule. Select the time of day you wish the heater to switch on at. Then select the days of the week you wish for it to switch on at. Turn the power status to on and select your desired room temperature. Next, select the mode you wish for the heater to operate in. High mode runs both the fan and the towel heater. Low mode runs just the towel heater. Once you've completed, select Save. Then add a second schedule, selecting the time you wish to turn the heater off at. Select the days of the week, leave the power status set to off, and then click Save. This procedure can then be repeated as many times as required, but please remember to set both an on and an off time for each individual time period you desire.